Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Grooves Delta. Now this product is really special in many ways. It comes with this transparent casing which looks super cool, and if you look at the design of the case, the earbuds case, it looks pretty futuristic. Now this product is inspired from Eva, a character in WALL-E movie, so that's why it looks quite different from other products. Now this Grooves Delta is priced at $14.99 on the official website. It's available in two colors, black and white, and we have the white color. So without any further delays, let's unbox it. So here's a closer look. Once again, it's got this hard plastic transparent casing which can be reused later as well. Now let's unbox it. First there's a cover. Let me just remove this label. Now you can see the highlights even better. Now let me open the case like this. On the bottom there's a plastic container which is an accessory case. Next we have the charging case followed by the earphones. Now inside the accessory case we get some documentation and a USB Type-C charging cable. Now these are the earphones. Let me just put them back in the case. The placement is pretty good. Now let's just close it up. So here's the case. It looks completely different. It has this triangular design which is the first time that I have seen. At least this looks super cool. Now let's have a closer look. On the front we have the Grooves branding, a blue LED light strip, and there's a groove to open the lid. Now once you open it up, you can access the earbuds, and as you can see, the earbuds placement is completely different from other earbuds as well. Like you can easily remove it and directly place it in your ear. It's super comfortable, and directly place it back as well. So you don't have to rotate it or realign it. This is something that I liked about it. And finally at the bottom you have a USB Type-C charging port, and the rest is pretty much plain. Now these are the earphones. On the back side, there's again a blue light strip on the ear stem. It looks pretty nice. These are gaming earphones, so that's why we have LEDs everywhere. Anyway, it looks nice. At the bottom we got the mics. On the other side there's a speaker grill, charging pins towards the bottom, and left and right markings near the charging pins. Now these are the complete specifications. This is the Delta model. It has 13mm drivers. It has a dedicated beast mode or the gaming mode which can reduce latency to 100 milliseconds. It also has IPX4 water resistance, so it even works in sweaty days and rainy days. Next it works with Bluetooth version 5.3, and the charging case has 350 mAh battery, and according to the company it can last you 60 hours of playback time. You can easily get 40 plus, that's pretty good. Finally, the entire case weighs 33 grams, each earbud weighs 3 grams, and the empty case weighs 24 grams, which is super light. And as you can see, the form factor is also pretty small. Now for the pairing process, you just need to open the lid and both earbuds enter the pairing mode. You can just search for Grooves T10 on your phone, just tap to pair, and it's done. And these earbuds also have the auto pairing feature where you can just open the lid to immediately pair to your phone. That's super convenient. Now for the functionality, you can double tap on the left or right side to play or pause, triple tap on the right side for voice assistant, triple tap on the left side for game mode or the music mode, tap and hold on the right side to play the next track, tap and hold on the left side to play the previous track. Now for the review, I'll start off with the design and build. Now once again, this is a closer look. Design is definitely pretty unique. They even call it the Grooves Spaceship design, or I don't know, it's probably once again inspired from a spaceship. It has a nice sci-fi element to it and looks pretty futuristic. Even the earphones have a slightly different design than your regular earphones, and the LED light definitely makes it great for gamers. It's made of pretty good plastic material, it doesn't feel cheap, and the white one has a nice matte finish to it, so it doesn't attract any fingerprints. But the white color is really hard to manage, I would say. It can easily get dirty, so I personally wouldn't recommend you a white color, but you can definitely go with the black color. That'll definitely look prettier even if it gets a little dirty. So get the black one if possible. Another thing is that I wish this lid could go a step further. Like it already goes back till here, but when I'm trying to remove the earbuds, I always hit this lid. So it's a bit inconvenient. So I wish it could go back further. Then it'll be much better. Besides that, I really like everything about the case. I like the fact that you can easily place and remove these earbuds directly from here. So it's super convenient as well. So overall design and build, 9 out of 10. I've tested the touch controls as well. They work really well, and there are no accidental touches as well. Like some earbuds have single touch actions and they easily get triggered, and that's pretty annoying. And we don't have that issue with these earphones. Now coming to the audio quality, each earphone have their own audio signature. Like Samsung, Sony, even both has their own audio signature. Like the same song might sound slightly different on different earphones. And even these earphones have their own audio signature, and they do sound pretty good. I must tell you that when you first put these earphones in your ear, they might feel a bit different, but after a few seconds, you'll even forget that they're in your ears. They're super light and super comfortable. The audio soundstage is pretty good, and even at maximum volume, there's no distortion. And unlike other earphones, these are not super loud. Like when you put at 90 or 100% volume, they're not super loud. They're still comfortable. So if you want super loud earphones, then you might be disappointed, but for normal user, it's pretty good. It does offer bass, but it is slightly on the subtler side. If you want punchy bass, once again, you won't get it with these earphones. Like the design itself is completely different. Overall, audio quality is definitely pretty good. I've tested it even for calls, and the call quality is also okay. So guys, to conclude, if you're looking for true wireless earphones around 1500 rupees with a futuristic design that are very comfortable to use, then you can definitely consider the Grooves Delta. They sound pretty good, and the design, as you can see, looks pretty cool as well. Guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you don't, hit the dislike button. And if you have any recommendations or comments, do comment below this video. We'll always be reading. With that said, see you next time.